I want to recommend someone to Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, this guy or a girl wants to start into the cyber security. So what do you exactly you are going to recommend them?
I'm reflecting on my journey because there was no one to recommend me. So what I did was I gathered knowledge, what cybersecurity basically entails, because it's a very vast domain.
If we are asking a simple thing, so let's connect with the dot. क्यों requirement थी? It's a cyber security, so we need to understand ऐसा क्यों हुआ.
आप जो पढ़ रहे हो ना कल शायद वो relevant भी ना हो
Exactly.
cyber security में.
It's emerging.
It's like कि क्या होगा you never know.
You never know.
अभी we all talk about Gen AI. It has its own pros and cons. People might be talking about in future, maybe 5-10 years में that we should integrate it with SOC and maybe initial triaging अगर हम AI को use करके कर ले.
So Vaishnavi, adding to the same, let's say if I want to recommend someone to Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, this guy or a girl wants to start into the cyber security. So what do you exactly you are going to recommend them?
Exactly what I'm going to recommend them. I would just I'm reflecting on my journey because there was no one to recommend me. So what I did was I gathered knowledge, what cybersecurity basically entails, because it's a very vast domain, and it is very important that it is very how you get started, how you plan to launch yourself in cybersecurity. So some people may be technically very good, and for some it might be सर के ऊपर से निकल गया क्या बोल
Right.
दिया, because not everybody happens to be from that like technical की यार मेरे को firewall rules है ना थोड़ा सा ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, या मुझे configuration review है ना समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So we have governance which talks about documentation, regulatory requirements and things like. So it is very important to understand where your interest lies. Once you gather this information, very basic, okay, there are different facets, but then what is basically enticing me to sign up for more? I think that's a catch, and that's where I think relevant training, whenever I had my training guru, who helped me started. So he basically gave me this idea. Look, there are technical and then there are non-technical stuff which is happening within this domain. Now you need to see where you are good at, but that doesn't evades you from not be completely closing your eyes from not having a technical knowledge. So right now, if my profile talks about I do assessments, network security cannot be a jargon to me.
Yeah.
I need to be talking to the client in a way that they understand and they know that I understand network security.
Exactly.
So similarly, I would suggest anybody starting, get your basics right, because you need to know what is DMZ. बहुत छोटी छोटी
Exactly.
फायरवॉल
Point
क्या
है.
करता है, कहाँ लगा हुआ है. And I remember interviewing few candidates. I was just asking very random, questions just to understand how much they engage. I asked, okay, fine, you tell me cryptography का क्या मतलब है? That person, the best part was he was wearing a specs and he was typing on ChatGPT.
Seriously.
And I was like, I was literally laughing because it was a video session.
अच्छा, in the video.
Yeah, and he was actually type करके I was like हो गया Google कुछ और GPT से. So he kept mum for a few minutes, and then of course the candidate was rejected. But you come across a lot of things, like people they kind of claim that we are 5 years experienced in this domain, 10 years experienced, 2 years but the point is, where are the fundamentals? Why is there a need of a basic firewall? Why would company need it?
Exactly.
So cloud की अगर हम बात करें, so people they are कि सब कुछ cloud पे है, सब कुछ
cloud पे है.
क्या है cloud पे? What is happening? You tell us, no? Is it your HRMS? Is it your database? What exactly? अगर HR का भी if you're say अच्छा database है, HRMS भी है, वहाँ पे हमने database इन्हीं का रखा हुआ है, HR ही use कर रही है. L&D आपको हमें अलग से पूछना है. So okay, then they are totally goofed up about, okay, मेरे को next second diagram निकाल के देखने दो, मैं अभी बताता हूँ. So you cannot be like this, and especially if you're cracking these interviews, okay, if you're somebody who's interviewing कि चलो ठीक है आप ये सब छोड़ो, risk assessment very basic, आप कैसे करोगे, what would be your strategy? रिस्क ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल होते हैं 4. वी डू रिस्क ट्रीटमेंट बाय 4 ways. वी आइदर मिटिगेट इट, वी आइदर ट्रांसफर इट, वही रटा रटाया. एंड लाइक ओके गिव मी एग्जांपल देन. लाइक कहाँ से आया वो रिस्क, वो तो बता. टेक मी स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एंड दैट्स वेयर यू गेट टू नो दैट ये सिर्फ रट के आए हैं, ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं.
एग्जैक्टली वैष्णवी, मैं भी यही ट्राई कर रहा हूँ जो अभी साइबर सिक्योरिटी के अंदर कि ये जो रीजंस भी है ना वाई वी रिलीजिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ पॉडकास्ट एंड ऑल द डिटेल्स, क्योंकि द कैंडिडेट इन द मार्केट, वो अभी जो आपने प्रिसाइजली एक लाइन बोली ना कि यार इफ़ यू आर आस्किंग अ सिंपल थिंग सो लेट्स कनेक्ट विद द डॉट, क्यों रिक्वायरमेंट थी, इट्स अ साइबर सिक्योरिटी, सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ऐसा क्यों हुआ. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस. सो वही मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि बॉस ये आपका कोई एग्जाम, आपके स्कूल कॉलेज का एग्जाम नहीं है कि वो प्री डिफाइंड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और आपको इनको रट्टा मारना है एंड आंसर इट.
एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आज आप जो पढ़ रहे हो ना, कल शायद वो रेलेवेंट भी ना हो.
Exactly.
साइबर सिक्योरिटी में
It's emerging.
इट्स लाइक कि क्या होगा, यू नेवर नो.
You never know.
अभी वी ऑल टॉक अबाउट जेन एआई, इट हैज इट्स ओन प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स, एंड पीपल लाइक दे से दैट कि आपने एआई को पायलट पकड़ लिया, आपने शायद ऐसे ईमेल छाप दी है या ऐसे. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. द पॉइंट इज यू नीड टू बी एबल टू स्पॉट लाइक वेयर दे आर गोइंग रॉन्ग, बिकॉज इट्स people might be talking about in future maybe 5-10 years में that we should integrate it with SOC and maybe initial triaging अगर हम AI को use करके कर ले, but there is still long way to there. But you need to understand to differentiate between like, और वो knowledge से ही आएगा.
वो तो knowledge से आएगा.
आप कुछ भी दे रहे हो क्वेरी, या अगर वो उस लड़के की बात करूं जो मुझे इंटरव्यू में बैठ के गूगल करके देने वाला था आंसर, अगर वो पढ़ के बता भी देता ना तो मतलब शायद क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग में फंस जाता.
सीरियसली
कि चलो ठीक,
एंड ऑफ द डे एक्चुअली कई वैष्णवी क्या है, मैं भी इंटरव्यूज लेता हूँ तो आई हैव सीन कैंडिडेट्स का क्या होता है कि दे आर लाइक कि फिर मैं एग्जांपल उनका माइंडसेट वही होता है, क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर देना है. एनी हाउ वो जो स्कूल कॉलेज से चलता आ रहा है, उसको ये नहीं पता है कि आप व्हेन यू नोड, आप कहीं देख रहे हो, कुछ कहीं पढ़ रहे हो, तो इंटरव्यू कैन इजीली कैच यू और वो समझ में आता है.
अगर आप सिर्फ लिपसिंग भी करो पीछे से कोई और
यू वॉन्ट बिलीव ये हो चुका है. अच्छा, ये प्रॉक्सी देने का सिस्टम बच्चों ने आजकल बड़ा कॉमन कर दिया है. और आई वॉज इन टू द इंटरव्यू और वहाँ पे क्या है, पीछे से कोई बोल रहा है, वो लिपसिंग कर रहा है और इतनी प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं करी, कोई सिंक नहीं है, लेकिन इंटरव्यू चल रहा है और वो बंदा कुछ वहाँ से आवाज आ रही है और वो बंदा कुछ सिंक कर रहा है और मतलब दिस इज लिटरली इनसेन.
और इतना फनी होता है ना सिचुएशन, यू कांट लाफ बट देन यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हाँ चलो कुछ तो गड़बड़ चल रही है. तो देखो एट टाइम्स एक मन बोलते क्या देखते कहाँ तक, वेयर टिल वेयर इट गोज, यार आई एम शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम सीरियसली छोड़ो. बट ऐसा हो रहा है. बट इवन इफ यू लैंड अप इन अ जॉब थ्रू दिस लाइक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, you will land up in a soup.
Exactly.
Because the moment you, and आजकल कंपनीज 2 बार सोचती हैं ले ऑफ करने से पहले. आप नहीं परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, you better go. Because for them, they are okay to go through the process of hiring again rather than, because every company has its own brand value. Like, उनका जो reputational damage है ना, they cannot stand. And it is only possible where you bring value to the table is by actually, when you have done your homework right, I think that's where you can actually add value and maybe bring more value. The moment you start upskilling, ठीक है, अभी मैं नेटवर्क का स्पेशलिस्ट बन गया हूँ, probably I should expand my horizons and like learn something else, something more, like how I can go beyond network security, because my field is not limited to this. People in like I have seen so many people having different what do you say, they are good at networking, they are also good at like identifying forensics, they are also good at okay what is happening at the like application security की अगर हम बात करें. So there is just so many things that people would want to learn and like but again go step by step.
Go step by step.
You have that vision, because वो vision पहले 1 साल 2 साल में नहीं आएगा. 1 साल 2 साल you concentrate कि भाई मुझे पढ़ना क्या है, मुझे expertise किस में लानी है, and उसके बाद sky is the limit.
Sky is the limit. एक मेरे इस पे क्वेश्चन है, like I want to know कि like in your domain when you take in any interviews there's a candidate, so that is a question that easily helps you to identify ये बंदे को आता है कि नहीं आता. What is that question? आप कैसे identify करते हो? एक होता है जो हम इंटरव्यूज लेते हैं कि इससे आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं कि कितना knowledgeable है.
The one pet question which I generally ask, I tell them to walk me through your journey. आपने किया क्या है? And the moment they start talking, okay मैंने ये किया है, अगर किसी ने काम किया होगा ना, दे विल गिव यू द डिटेल्स, खुद ही बताते बताते चलेंगे एंड यू विल बी लाइक चलो ठीक है इसको आता है व्हाट द पर्सन इज. और अगर नहीं भी आता है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि जो मेरे पास मतलब जिनके मैं इंटरव्यूज़ ले रही हूँ उनको सब आता होगा. आई ऑल्सो लुक फॉर द एटीट्यूड.
Okay.
आर यू विलिंग टू लर्न? चलो ठीक है, आई हैव बीन वेरी blunt in my interviews. You are bluffing right now. You are trying to switch your profile, which is absolutely fine. We cannot just close our eyes ki because you are from this particular stream, you are not eligible or fit enough to like do this kind of work. That's a myth. But even to have that transferable skill, how adaptable are you? How willing are you to learn about these skills? So I think आप जर्नी के बारे में पूछते हो, दैट इज़ माई पेट क्वेश्चन. बट देन अगेन whosoever is watching this podcast, अगर tomorrow if they get no interview, so just like it's a trick question. अभी बता रही हूँ कि you just asked a very vital question कि मैं क्या देखती हूँ. But the second part is that how much they would want to learn, because you would not want to hire someone who just says that मुझे तो सब आता है एंड बस आप मुझे ले लो एंड आई विल डू इट करके. आई विल लाइक हाँ ठीक है अभी अभी बताते हैं आपको. आई डोंट एंटरटेन.
Flexibility you need.
I need flexibility. True. I'm not this micromanager, frankly.
Okay.
My team is the happiest, what I understand from their feedback, indirect feedback.
मैनेजर को कोई खराब फीडबैक नहीं देता है.
नहीं मेरे को कभी that's what I'm saying ना, indirect feedback.
Indirect
मुझे कभी
feedback.
directly नहीं मिला है. Apparently my peers have been telling me this.
अच्छा.
I think the beautiful gesture which I got was the best boss का एक
Okay.
gift. So I'm hoping that it was not just to मक्खन लगाने के लिए. But no, but seriously, because the moment you trust them कि I interviewed them, वो आए उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया, but I have entrusted a lot of responsibilities. See, this is you have to do these things apart from your work. And now it is their responsibility to do the work, upskill, and also do the additional work which they are supposed to. Like it is essential for them because it will help them grow into next level. Because अगर मैं कल को किसी के लिए प्रमोशन का बात कर रही हूँ और मे बी पे स्केल इंक्रीज की बात कर रही हूँ, और आई नीड सम what do you say justifications what they have done. So that is where like this interviews, people who are appearing for interviews, even we also give a lot of interviews, like when we are on this search of job hunt या जैसे भी है, we also get judged like what this person is bringing on to table. Like मैं इसको hire कर रहा हूँ, ये क्या value add करेगी, like is she even equipped to do this job, like. And that comes again, they also ask me the same question. You tell me about your journey and how you have basically encountered these issues. So the moment it becomes relatable, like security, cyber security fraternity is very small. Everybody knows everybody.
Seriously.
After a point, your feedback travels faster than light. So like people will know you. अच्छा ठीक है, इसने यहाँ पे काम किया था, इसका ये फीडबैक है, so पता चल जाएगा कि बंदा कितना काम करता है या नहीं करता है.
A typical word we use a kunba. So it's like a kunba. Like easily you can identify इसका friend उसका मिल जाता है. अच्छा, one more thing, like when अभी तक आपने in your experience, journal I'm asking, आपने कितनी growth, कितना hike देखा in an interview just clear किया और उसको यहाँ से ये package मिला है in the cyber security?
I have seen people getting 50-75% hike.
Okay.
And
with the previous package of?
Yes.
मतलब
अभी recent बात कर रही हूँ.
Okay. मतलब उनका current कितना था और कितना उनका हो गया है? Like
so I would say that people who were on 14 lakhs का package, they got landed up in a job of 35 lakhs.
Seriously?
Yeah. So which is more than double. They have also, like, some of them were lucky enough, or like they were not lucky. Lucky would be a wrong word. They were knowledgeable enough.
Knowledgeable is the correct word.
So like they have actually landed up in 50 lakhs job and 45 lakhs. So packages company तो यूं उठाती है the moment they know that this is a right talent, because they want people to like जिसके पास knowledge है, company would be happily paying extra money because they would ultimately want to hire the right talent.
So what you have seen in these candidates, उनमें ऐसा क्या था कि मतलब उनको इतना strong hike मिला है? It's a like career life change kind of a hike.
So frankly, they were doing their job, what was expected out of them, but they never hesitated, like कि actively involve होना कि यार ठीक है, आप है ना मेरे को proposals दे दो, मैं कर देता हूँ या कर देती हूँ. And not just that, like 42001 got launched, ठीक है, like signing up for that course, you get that standard, you prepare the templates, what would be required, what would be tested, like basic हमें क्या, like अगर मैं अपनी line की बात कर रही हूँ, so I would rather have that test procedures, what I'm going to test for this, and having a some sort of a framework where I can basically talk about controls, how it is getting evolved, what I will be testing. So having some sort of proactive measure, like for example, TLS 1.3 has got, 1.2 has got obsolete. Abhi you need to use to TLS 1. So you need to keep abreast of what is happening around. So yeah, अब आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? You need to be very proactive with what is happening in your cyber world in the first
Right.
place, and then how you can contribute. Okay, this has come, I'm sure मेरे next VAPT में alert बोलेगा कि मेरा TLS 1.2 है. So I should actively tell this to my senior management कि what steps are we taking to like
Exactly.
upgrade.
I'm very happy and impressed क्योंकि nowhere you talked about the certifications. क्योंकि this is what I used to tell कि certification is like it shows that you have the knowledge, but after all you are the person who's actually justify that knowledge.
Absolutely, and there are so many people जिनके पास certification नहीं है but they have ample knowledge. I would give my husband's example. He had one SANS का certificate and knowledge का भंडार है. I'm telling you, like there are people who get trained under him. He's in like not trained as such, they come as interns, and he was my mentor. And अभी भी मेरे को mentor करते रहते हैं. And he heads that malware department, like in the Ministry of IT. You won't believe. सबसे बड़े critic बोलो या सबसे बड़े mentor बोलो, he is that guy. He'll be like, you don't bluff, huh? You better sit and study. आज भी तू पढ़ के जा. Don't just utter anything nonsense because
Right.
the client will catch you.
Exactly.
He comes
That's
from
true.
a government, he has been working for this government job, but he keeps telling me that you better keep yourself grounded and keep learning because you never know कि कब पासा पलटेगा, and just because you don't have knowledge तुम ऐसे बोल रहे हो. And he keeps pushing me, you get the certificate, because private में certification you keep saying that कि अच्छा ये certified professional है, ये certified, because हम कहीं ना कहीं client के साथ trust build करने की बात करते हैं. But the point is certifications alone is not sufficient. ठीक है, आपको एक ठप्पा मिल जाएगा, but ultimately when you start to work, your bookish knowledge will not be of any help. Have you got your hands dirty while actually
Exactly.
like implementing a solution? People talk about load balancers and like all these things. ऐसे हवा में बोल के चले जाएंगे, and then उनको बुला के पूछो जरा एक बार ना, just elaborate a bit on this, and then they'll be like कि नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं वैसे नहीं ऐसे नहीं. बहुत I have seen myself that I was basically working and we were working on like SOC onboarding, and Hafnium attack happened, and it was basically targeting Microsoft Exchange servers. At that time I was like मेरे लिए तो बहुत thrilling experience था frankly, but then I know that IT team is having sleepless nights because of that, क्योंकि exchange servers है वही impacted है. We are using most of the companies, they use exchange servers. बेचारे रात रात को भी scripts चला रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं हम लोग
Exactly. It's
impacted.
like a war zone. You are into a war zone. एकदम edge पे है सब कुछ.
Absolutely. And but then वो इसीलिए कर पाए because they were all knowledgeable. Nobody at that time focused on certifications, and they were good at their job, and which is why we were able to avert that attack. Company impact नहीं हुई. SOC नहीं था हमारे पास उस वक्त उस कंपनी में. We were onboarding SOC services, so everything was happening manually. हमारे काफ़ी efforts लग रहे थे, but it was a learning experience for me that knowledge plays a very important role. Like even if I recall, and ये experience इतना ज़्यादा personal है ना, because हम सब रात को जग के हम लोग सब यही देख रहे थे, because कहीं पे कोई, because उस वक्त this attack was happening in wild, like so many companies were impacted because of these attacks. It was a 0 day by Microsoft, and later on the patch was released, but until then it was nightmare for a lot of IT
Exactly.
folks. But that's where I think having that fundamentals right,
Knowledge.
like correct, so it is very important how you are going to fix that. आप कहाँ वो script चलाओगे, you need to understand
You need to
that.
understand.
So I think that comes with you need to get your hands dirty. आप बैठो system में, you create your lab. There are so many resources available to like basically practice. आप उठाते ही OSCP या you know like you
Cert-
cannot go about these certifications. You need to understand these
Understand.
things. So set up your home lab, try practicing as much as you can. I'm not that too much into technical, but I have seen my husband doing it, so he was like, you know, मैं वो देख के मैं दूर हो गई. मैंने कहा रहने दो, I'm good in governance. So that's how I think that motivated me to go into this. But yeah, I know that, you know, this technical knowledge, it is unforgiving when it comes to, like, you know, आपको पढ़ना है, you need to be on your toes. It might be really exhausting at one
True.
point कि कब आ जाए अटैक. सीसोस की तो रात की नींद उड़ जाती है.
सही
बट
बात
द
है.
पॉइंट इज इट इज़ वेरी, यू नो, लाइक फॉर सम पीपल हु एक्चुअली डू इट आउट ऑफ पैशन, दे टेक इट एज, यू नो, यार आज मुझे कुछ नया सीखने को मिला, नेक्स्ट टाइम द ट्रबल शूटिंग वुड बी ईजियर. आई विल एक्चुअली मेक माई ओन चेकलिस्ट कि मैं अगली बार नहीं करूँगा या नहीं करूँगा.
एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ साइबर सिक्योरिटी, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. और बहुत ही मजा आया आपसे बात करने में वैष्णवी.
Like
इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू टेक मोर क्वेश्चंस फॉर द वैष्णवी फॉर द पार्ट 2. और वैष्णवी इज वेरी, यू नो, लुक्स की शी इज़ हैप्पी इन हर प्रोफाइल. शी इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोफाइल कि नहीं मैं खुश हूँ अपनी जॉब के अंदर. वेरी फ्यू पीपल आर लाइक दिस ओनली कि यार हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. एंड रियली लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम यू. थैंक यू वैष्णवी फॉर योर टाइम.
थैंक यू सो मच.